Page number 30, more than 100 words.
Open the page number 30. Read the question. Prepare the following list. Do not repeat the same word in any two lists. Refer to a dictionary wherever necessary. In Marathi, खाली दिल्यानुसार याद्या तयार करा. याद्या तयार करण्यासाठी गरज भासेल तेव्हा शब्दकोशाचा उपयोग करा. First question. Things you see in the classroom. At least 10 items. वर्गामध्ये असलेल्या वस्तूंची नावे सांगा. कमीत कमी 10. Here is one picture of classroom. So observe the picture and tell the names, the things we see in this classroom. First one is the blackboard. Here is the blackboard. The spelling is BLACKBOARD. Blackboard. In Marathi, फळा. Mostly this is used by teacher. Now observe the picture once again. Here is the bench. Bench. Spelling is BENCH. In Marathi also we call it bench. It is used by students. Now observe the picture once again. Here is the chalk and duster. Chalk, spelling CHALKS. Chalks means khadu. And this is duster. DUSTER. In Marathi also we call it duster. Now observe the picture once again. Here is the chart. Spelling CHARTS. Charts. In Marathi, takta. It is used by teacher as a teaching aid. Now observe the picture once again. Here is the watch. In Marathi, it is घड्याळ. This is the wall watch. Spelling WALLWATCH. It is used by all students and teachers to see the time. Observe the picture. It is cupboard. In Marathi, it is called kapat. Spelling CUPBOARD. Cupboard. It is used by teacher to keep her important things and books. Observe the picture once again. It is table. In Marathi also we called it table. Spelling TABLE. Table. It is used by teacher for writing. Now look at the picture and once again observe. This is a chair. In Marathi, khurchi. Spelling CHAIR. It is used by teacher to sit. Look at the picture. This is globe. Spelling GLOB. Globe. In Marathi, पृथ्वीचा गोल. It is used by teacher for teaching. Now look at the picture once again. There are many bags, school bags. Spelling is SCHOOLBAG. In Marathi, we call it bag. Now observe the picture once again. Here is some books and notebooks. The spelling of book is BOOK. Book. In Marathi, pustak. Spelling of notebook is NOTEBOOKS. In Marathi, wahi, notebook. Now look at the picture. There are many writing materials like pen and pencils. There are writing materials, pen and pencils. Now, second question, page number 30. Things you see at home. घरी असलेल्या वस्तूंची नावे लिहा. First one is furniture. Spelling FURNITURE. Furniture. In Marathi also we used the word furniture. Second thing we see in our home, that is television, means TV. In Marathi also we called it TV. Nowadays each and every person has a TV. Now the third thing we see in our home, that is refrigerator. In short we called it fridge. It is very useful thing in kitchen. Now third one, this is fan. Spelling FAN. In Marathi it is called pankha. This is very useful in summer season. Now next, this is mixer grinder. Spelling MIXER, grinder, GRINDER. We used it to grind the things and it is very useful in kitchen. Next one, this is gas stove. Spelling GASSTOVE. In Marathi, शेगडी. It is very much useful in kitchen. This is cylinder. Spelling CYLINDER. We attach cylinder with gas stove. These are cooking pots. In Marathi, स्वयंपाकाची भांडी. Mother used these pots for cooking. Now, dining table. Spelling DININGTABLE. Question number 3. Things you see in a park or garden. Garden मध्ये असलेल्या वस्तूंची नावे लिहा. Look at this picture. This is the garden. Observe this picture. There are many trees in this garden. Next thing we see in garden, that is flowers. Different types of flowers we can see in these gardens. Now next one, there is playing area. In this playing area, students play different games. In that there are seesaws, sliders. In Marathi, घसरगुंडी. In garden there are many water fountains. In Marathi, कारंजे. Next question, things you see at a market. मार्केटमध्ये दिसणाऱ्या गोष्टींची नावे लिहा. Now we will take first one. These are vegetables. Spelling VEGETABLES. In Marathi, भाज्या. Now fruits. In Marathi, फळे. Spelling FRUITS. Now grains means धान्य. Spelling GRAINS. Next one, spices. Spelling SPICES. In Marathi, masale. This is the last. This is not a thing. We see grocery shops in market. In Marathi, किराणा मालांची दुकाने. Last question, things you see in jungle. जंगलमध्ये दिसणाऱ्या गोष्टींची नावे लिहा. First one, trees. In Marathi, झाडे. Next one, ponds means तळे. Next one, flowers. We see different flowers in jungles. Birds. There are many birds in jungles. And wild animals. There are many wild animals we can see in jungles. The last question is things you see in your imagination. This is your homework. Now think on this question. Write things in your imagination. For example, animals having wings. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.